Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're rinsing off after a beach day, cleaning up at the campsite, or just enjoying a refreshing rinse in the backyard, an outdoor shower can be a total game changer. In today's video, we're exploring the best outdoor showers that offer convenience, durability, and easy setup, perfect for camping, RV trips, or home use. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive in and find the perfect outdoor shower for your next adventure.
Number 5. Dr. Prepare Solar Shower. The Dr. Prepare Solar Shower is a versatile and innovative solution for outdoor showering. Designed with convenience and sustainability in mind, this portable shower offers a range of features that make it an ideal choice for camping, hiking, or any other off-grid adventures. One of the standout features of this solar shower is the rechargeable air pump. With a slim design similar to a 16 ounces beer can, the air pump efficiently inflates the shower bag, getting it ready for use in no time. Simply press the power button, connect it to the shower bag, and let it do the rest. For optimal pumping speed, it's recommended to fully fill the shower bag. The rechargeable air pump ensures a hassle-free and quick setup for your outdoor shower. The versatile spray nozzle of the Dr. Prepare Solar Shower is designed for simplicity and functionality. It offers two spray modes to suit your needs. Squeeze the lever for manual water control or flip it up for a constant spray to rinse off dirt effectively. This redesigned nozzle provides versatility and convenience for your outdoor showering experience. Filling the shower bag is made easier than ever with the enlarged screw cap. The threaded design ensures a secure seal, preventing any leaks or spills. Compared to press-type lids found on similar products, the screw cap excels in sealing and durability. Number 4. Mr. Heater Base Camp Shower System. The Mr. Heater Base Camp Shower System is a portable and battery-operated propane shower system designed to provide hot water on the go. Number 3. Camplux Water Heater. When it comes to portable tankless water heaters, the Camplux water heater stands out as a reliable and efficient option. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, this CSA Safety Standard approved water heater offers a range of features that make it perfect for various applications. Let's delve into the key attributes of the Camplux water heater. Safety is a top priority, and the Camplux water heater is designed to meet CSA safety standards. It incorporates a flame failure device, anti-freezing protection, and overheating protection to ensure the safety of your family. The water heater automatically decreases water pressure between 3.0 to 110 psi, providing optimal performance and safety. Additionally, it includes an anti-freezing drain plug that helps discharge residual water, preventing freezing in cold areas or during extended periods of non-use. To avoid the risk of high water temperatures, the heater is equipped with a feature that shuts it off automatically when the water temperature exceeds 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Portability is another key feature of the Camplux water heater. Weighing only 10 pounds and featuring a portable handle, it's lightweight and easy to carry. The mounting bracket on the top, back of the heater allows for convenient installation. With its compact size and user-friendly design, you can have the water heater up and running in just 15 minutes. The Camplux water heater provides instant hot water wherever you are. With a maximum power output of 28,000 BTU. Number 2. Eccotemp Portable Water Heater. When it comes to camping, having access to hot water can greatly enhance your outdoor experience. The Eccotemp Portable Water Heater is a lightweight and compact solution that offers convenience and reliability for various applications. Whether you're camping, washing your pets, or enjoying outdoor showers, this portable water heater has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Eccotemp Portable Water Heater is its compact and lightweight design. It's easy to carry and doesn't take up much space, making it perfect for camping trips or off-grid adventures. Its portability allows you to bring it wherever you go, ensuring you have hot water on demand. This water heater runs on a standard 20 pounds liquid propane tank, providing a readily available fuel source for heating water. With its electronic ignition system, you can start it up effortlessly. It's also powered by 2D-cell batteries, making it suitable for on-the-go use without the need for a power source. Safety is paramount when it comes to portable water heaters, and the Eccotemp portable water heater delivers in this aspect. It features a safety shutoff mechanism that activates if the unit runs longer than 20 minutes or is tilted more than 45 degrees in either direction. This ensures that you can use it with peace of mind, knowing that it has built-in safety measures. Connecting the water heater to a standard garden hose is a breeze. Thanks to its low-pressure activation of 20 psi, you can easily set it up and start enjoying hot water in no time. This user-friendly feature makes it suitable for various outdoor activities, from washing dishes to taking showers. With a hot water output rating of 1.5 gallons per minute GPM, the Eccotemp portable water heater provides a steady flow of hot water for your needs. It has an achievable temperature range of 50 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize the water temperature to your preference. Number 1 Gasland Tankless Water Heater. The Gasland Tankless Water Heater is a reliable and powerful solution for your hot water needs, whether you're camping, rooming, or enjoying various outdoor activities. This versatile water heater offers impressive performance and a range of features that make it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Let's explore its key attributes in detail. One of the standout features of the Gasland Tankless water heater is its high power output of 82,000 BTU/HR. This ensures efficient heating and allows for a temperature increase of 109 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees centigrade at its highest point, and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees centigrade at its lowest point, with a flow rate of 3.18 gallons per minute GPM. This means you can produce a significant amount of hot water per minute, catering to your various needs. The water heater is designed to start up easily, requiring only 3.6 psi of water pressure. This low water pressure activation ensures convenience and reliable operation even in situations where water pressure might be limited. Operating on a standard 20 pounds liquid propane tank, the Gasland Tankless water heater provides flexibility and convenience. It comes equipped with an electronic ignition powered by 2D-cell batteries, allowing for easy and reliable ignition wherever you go. This makes it ideal for a range of scenarios, including camping, rooming, hunting, pet or horse washing, vehicle cleaning, and more.